back to my channel Swami Vijay. This is Swami Vijay speaking to you all. As you're all requesting me to give you a review about Triben road bike on long ride. Today we are going for 50 kilometers ride. So without any delay, let us begin. Here you can see I am riding Rock Rider. It is very heavy here, but you can see here my son who is riding road bike is very comfortable to go high. Triben is a lightweight bike, whereas Rock Rider is very heavy. So we are shifting bikes so that we both can complete 50 kilometers of ride today. We reached Yelahanka police station, traffic police station. Only 10 kilometers so far we have completed. Another 40 kilometers we have to go. He is going to take rest here for 5 to 10 minutes. I am going another 10 kilometers using this body strap. I am using body cam now. You can see the true experience of riding Triben 100 using this body cam. I hope you can hear my voice very clearly. Many of you are asking me to give review about Triben 100 road bike. So I am using this Triben 100 road bike. It's very lightweight. You can shift gears and make your drive very easy. Enjoy ride with me. You can see here, I'm using this mobile to measure the distance, speed and all those things. Today, on the event of International Yoga Day, we want to complete 50 kilometers bike ride using Triben 100, and I want to post review today. Triben 100 is a beginner's road bike, budget road bike. You can purchase this bike. You can own this bike for 20,000 rupees, but you need to purchase few more accessories. Around you have to spend 25,000 to 37,000 to have all the accessories like helmet, gloves, all those things. I believe I can easily go for 50 kilometers ride on this bicycle without any difficulty. this 50 kilometers long ride, I am using both Rock Rider as well as Tribal 100 so that I can have a proper idea which bike suits for long ride. Tribal 100 is good budget bike for long drive, whereas Rock Rider is heavy. Whereas Rock Rider is very heavy, it is very difficult to climb even while coming down also. Because of the weight of Rock Rider, it is not suitable for long drive. I am actually driving towards Dodbalapur Road. On Dodbalapur Road, the traffic is very less today, Sunday today. Generally weekdays, it's not easy to go for long drive. Even if you go for long drive also, then again going to office and workplace, again working for 7 to 8 hours is really tough. So that's why we decided today, Sunday, as well as special day, International Yoga Day, we want to complete this 50 kilometers bicycle ride. While going for long drive, you can use Bluetooth headphones or earbuds and play music in your mobile and enjoy the ride. Otherwise, if you're a solo rider, then you feel mentally, you feel exhausted after a while, and as there is no company, you will feel like it's impossible to go for 50 kilometers. So try to go in groups if possible. Otherwise, if you want to go solo, but use music as a motivating factor or element in your ride. What I am going to do, once I touch 20 kilometers, I am going to return so that we will have a gap of 5 to 6 kilometers. Last time I completed 35 kilometers. So, last Sunday I completed 35 kilometers ride. Now this Sunday I aimed for 50 kilometers. Let us see. This is Dodbalapur Road, Bangalore to Dodbalapur Road. Water problem. And whenever you go for long drive, don't forget to carry extra tube, spare parts, and if possible puncture kit, because on long ride, if something goes wrong, nobody will come to your aid. So I am going to little further and then I am going to take a U-turn. Market, BMTC. If you find this kind of roads with less traffic, it is very easy to go for long drive. We even tried in Bangalore city to go for long drive, but after 6:30 we found a lot of traffic on the roads and it's congested and disturbing. That's why we came for long drives on this road. Here you can see I completed 20 kilometers, so I am going to take a U-turn somewhere. So 20 and then 40 kilometers up and down, then there is a margin of 10 kilometers. So in case if I can't ride this vehicle properly or if my energy is drained out, then still I can reach back my home. If I am feeling good, then I'll go for 10 more kilometers. Be careful while taking U-turn. Now let's go back. 20 kilometers we touched and we are going for 20 more kilometers and then 10 more kilometers. So total 30 kilometers. Of course I am not feeling tired, but as I have used Rock Rider for 3 kilometers, I am feeling little exhaustion. Many of you are asking me to give a review about Triben 100 road bike. This is not the best bike is available in the market, but this is the best budget bike available in the market.
So another 20 kilometers we have to go. Without any delay, let us go ahead and complete 20 more kilometers. As today is International Day, we are going to complete 50 kilometers ride. Let us go.
Workout resumed.
Action cam battery is completely drained, so I am using mobile cam. So take a bite if you are really hungry, and if you don't have energy, take a bite and then continue riding. Hope you can hear my voice properly.
34 kilometers completed. Remaining distance 15.99 kilometers.
Kilometers we have to drive. 40 kilometers we have completed. 3 more kilometers. Relax after 20 kilometers, but don't rest more than 5 to 10 minutes. So I had this bite. Now Swachh Bharat. So keep clear inside and let's complete 10. Now let's complete 10 more kilometers.
Average speed 21 kilometers per hour. Estimated total time 2 hours 22 minutes 43 seconds.
2 more kilometers to go.
Target reached.
Yeah.
54 kilometers completed.
Yes, 50 kilometers done. So guys, today as I promised, this is a review of long ride of Triben 100. 50 kilometers long drive we have completed, and I am not exhausted. Still I have energy to go for another 10 kilometers. This is the greatness of achieving a target. Set always higher target, and the next target is we want to go for 75 kilometers ride, and in future we will definitely try for 100 kilometers ride. Thanks for watching this video. Stay home, stay safe and stay strong.